Good evening. Today is about October 16, no? October 16, Thursday here in the Philippines. Yeah. Again, this is it, no, for the people again seconds from disaster, no. So again, much more fun here in Cebu. So muna to siya yatag, no, sa for the mayors and then some hotels, no, for the landmarks or the famous restaurants or bars and hotels, no. Again, this is no, muna siya nga Arwin Ergometer, no. Then the next one is about here. Much more fun here in Cebu, Philippines. Yeah, this is bago na gid siya, diretso na gid, no. Here again, mo na siya, no, nga naa siya sa kaning President's House, no, Malacanang, then Santo Niño, then City Hall, and the Plaza of Sports San Pedro, La Nueva, then Santo Niño, then office of the Vice Mayor again there. Then we do the statistics, no, mo lagi na ako mapakita na to, no. So heart is pure care, no, operational injection of medicine, no, helping people's health, then educate with the proper machine. Latest, no, is based on the stress test in the hospital. That's life, no, helping the government promote the tourism, no. Again, plan this summer, no, to vacation. So again, natay statistics there, the name, sex, age, and sports, education, Arwin Ergometer, tambal dili tumaron. Before and after, no, we take the BP and blood pressure and pulse rate, no. Then after we take 2 minutes lang, again just for 2 minutes, and note, no, increasing or decreasing. But increasing is about okay kay na, or decreasing peligro, no, kay there's about the arteries clogged up, no. Then please check if true that's the same effect in the stress test in hospital, start to end, hard to pedal with tension or brake by, yes or no. Continuous without stopping for the whole time given, yes or no. Then thank you for the time and effort you helping the others. Can you say the name? Arwin Ergometer is the best, no? There. Then, no? Then you can watch. You can watch at the spreading special thanks to the following website, no? Spreading the good news, no? The Freedom, the Google, the Facebook, and the YouTube, no? For spreading the good news. Then just type, no? Hearty Satina or Arwin Ergometer or stress test, no? Again, they give us earnings, no, or income per month for life, no. We have an agreement or contract, no. The people of Western Union trusting and faith with us, no. Again, there's about 160 countries as for today. Daily, no, 23 subscribers today, helping the people's health and life, no. And government, much more fun here in Cebu. It's there. Again, you can browse that. And then for today, this is about 10, 16, 14, no. Our income in the YouTube is about $26.20, no. That's US